Hi and welcome to a new video, and it's a very special one because I have a new dress, a latex dress that's named after me. But since it doesn't look like much when I'm just holding it like that, I'm going to put it on right away. Ta-da! I am presenting to you the Celene Nox latex dress by Honor Clothing, a UK-based latex and alternative fashion brand, and the dress I've worn before is also by Honor Clothing, so they don't only do latex but also PVC and wet look and a lot of other stuff. Check it out. And this dress is a cooperation, so to say, between Honor Clothing and me. We did some projects together before, and one day they asked, hey, what kind of dress do you like? Should we do something together? And I told them what I prefer, what I like in styles, and then they designed this dress and named it like me, which is really super awesome. So there are a few cool design features, like the blue trims everywhere, all the way around, also in the back, and this cute little bow belt, just belt, and I did the bow in the back, which adds a nice little contrast here in the middle. Also the halter neck tie, I really love it because it makes a nice cleavage, and it is good for summer because it's not too much latex. And also I love the skirt, which is a circle skirt, so it's nice and flowy and it adds like this softness to the dress. I don't know. I think this is a really cute dress, and you can wear it to a lot of occasions because it is really playful but also elegant, and not too much latex if you want to mix it with something else. For example, since it's really bare here, you can also add a leather jacket or a short jacket that's not latex. Or like I did, I put on patent black over-knee boots, so I have a bit more covered legs, so to say. I can also think like gauntlets, high gauntlets or gloves maybe, to complete the style a bit, but I think overall this is a really nice design which I'm definitely going to wear more often. One big point of the dress is the blue, that's matching with my hair of course, and today I did something else. I mean, I'm not talking often about makeup or nails, but today I painted my nails blue as well with a new gel polish with a lot of glitter, and I want to tell you just a few sentences about it. I received this gel polish from Glam, and I never really did gel nails at home before because I always thought, oh, it's so hard, but it was actually really easy, and I'm really amazed that it's still in such a good condition. I'm wearing this for a few days now and it's not chipped, there are no parts missing, and it just looks and feels really nice. And I love that it is matching my outfit. I think I should do it more often. And if you want to check out Madame Glam, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, you should have a look in the description text because I also link my discount code there. Okay, I just realized I have no experience as a hand model whatsoever, so back to the dress. I think it fits for a lot of body types, it looks good on everybody, and it's also, which I want to point out, really easy to wear and to get into. So if you're a latex beginner, if you're not want to go for a catsuit or long arms in the beginning, it's really easy. You're not fully covered in latex, so if you want to give latex a try, this would be a good option, for example. If you buy this dress, please, I want to see you in the Celene Nox latex dress, in my dress, so to say. Send me pictures, let me know when you received it and how you like it, and yeah, just tell me about it because I'm curious, and I think this was really a fun project. Check out the links down below the video because I, of course, linked the dress directly there. And thanks again to Honor. And thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!